Red snapper is one of the most fraud fish of all time. So a lot of people sell you fish and say that it's red snapper, and it's not red snapper. But this is real red snapper from the Caribbean, right? Not lane snapper, not some bassa or yada yada. It is red snapper fillet. We're gonna season our fish. This again is just our all-purpose seasoning. So a good idea to add just salt and some black pepper to your flour mixture. So the crust of the fish, you taste the seasoning in it, right? We're Caribbean people. Again, we love to put our hands in our food and make sure that you get that love, yeah, that we all like. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go take it over to the frying pan and start cooking our fish. And you want to get that sizzle. And always put the skin side down. A couple minutes each side while you're cooking. So look at that. Couple minutes each side. Look at that, see? So see, all done. This is the fillet, right? It's not your whole fish, so it cooks really fast. And you can see it's cooked. Yeah, now that our fish is done, fish fillet is fry, we're gonna make our Escovitch sauce. Our pot is nice and hot. Start with our onions. So we have bell peppers, onions, and some carrot. And you hear that nice sizzle. Again, we're not boiling everything, you know, we're just nice saute in that. We're gonna add some garlic, thyme, all-purpose seasoning. We have a couple teaspoons tomato ketchup or tomato paste. Either works. Just some water, and you might want to add a little bit of white wine to this if you're so inclined. All it's gonna do is just bring it up to a nice savory taste. And we just bring this up to a boil. And this is the love of the Caribbean. Look at that. All right, so our sauce is ready. And all we do is just spoon that right over the fish. And because it's so hot, it's still gonna cook the fish a little bit. So you don't have to be in Jamaica to be eating good, right? It's Christmas, and as you can see, we give you, apart from the oxtail, there's nothing that taking a whole long time for you to do. The little green onions on top, and that's it. Escovitch of red snapper fillet.